Yo, it's Iceberg Jim, back at y'all with another one. And today, I'm reviewing the classic chicken sandwich from McDonald's. As you can see in my past videos, I reviewed chicken sandwiches from Shake Shack, Chick-fil-A, Royal Farms, KFC, etc. We're going to try this $3 and some change, depending on your local taxes, area taxes, and where you live. So, this classic chicken sandwich should be an actual chicken fillet. Has a bun, assumed to be a buttered bun, chicken, a couple pickles, and some sauce. Let's see what the sauce tastes like. It kind of tastes like Big Mac sauce, a signature sauce. Let's see what this piece of chicken tastes like. Tastes really good. Tastes similar to that Southern style chicken sandwich, but I used to have back in the day. McDonald's was a little bit better. Let's go ahead. Take a bite of the sandwich. See what's really good. From a price and convenience standpoint, it gets a 5 out of 5 to McDonald's every other corner in each suburb and cities here and there, but I think McDonald's is pretty accessible. The price is good, a little bit cheaper than Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is $3 and some change before some taxes. It's the low end. Not packed meat. It's a chicken fillet. You put it in the sauce. It's not as good as Shake Shack, but it's still pretty good. I think Chick-fil-A tastes a little bit better. You can say Chick-fil-A is a 4.5 in terms of taste. This is a 4.0 in terms of taste. But it's a classic chicken sandwich at McDonald's for $3. And based on the size, I would definitely get this. Unless maybe Chick-fil-A was closer and I want to spend a few more cents. But nah. This McDonald's chicken sandwich, classic chicken sandwich, good. Actually, superb. Overall, 4 out of 5. It's convenient. Go ahead and get that sandwich. Real good. Iceberg Jim out. That's my review. Iceberg Jim out. Deuces.